Hi, I'm Varun Grover. Catch me on Yo India TV. Very yo.
प्रेम की भाषा लिखता हूँ तुझे रोज जरा सा। तू मेरी है प्रेम की भाषा लिखता हूँ तुझे रोज जरा सा। कोरे कोरे कागज जिन पे बेकस, कोरे कोरे कागज जिन पे बेकस लिखता हूँ ये खुलासा। तुमसे मिले दिल में उठा दर्द करारा, जीने लगा वो ही जिसे इश्क ने मारा। तुमसे मिले दिल में उठा दर्द करारा, जीने लगा वो ही जिसे इश्क ने मारा।
Hello everyone, this is your host Jasleen Khanuja on Yo India TV, bringing on to you a very interesting episode on Varun Grover, the famous writer and the stand-up comedian from India who has won international and national accolades and who has been instrumental in taking Bollywood to a next level. This famous writer, as you know, has penned down Moh Moh Ke Dhage, the famous song from the blockbuster Dum Laga Ke Haisha, and we even remember to our hearts Vamania from the gangs of Wasipur. Sui Dhaga, the famous movie, also got some of the hit songs from none other than Varun Grover.
शीत लगा कभी ताप लगा तेरे साथ का है जो शाप लगा मनवा बोराया तेरा चाव लगा जैसे कोई घाव लगा।
कमाल का लिखा है वरुण ग्रोवर साहब ने।
तेरा चाव लगा जैसे कोई घाव लगा।
Hey everyone, joining us at Sala Fest 2019 is Varun Grover. Welcome to Yo India TV with me Jasleen, and how's the experience at this beautiful festival?
बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. It's so amazing to see such a vibrant Indian arts community, South Asian arts community here in Bay Area. मैं पहली बार अमेरिका आया हूँ, and for me it's all quite amazing to see that there's so many artists here. And it's such a beautiful venue right now, and I'm hoping that it will be a great festival.
जैसे कोई घाव लगा
तेरा चाव लगा जैसे कोई घाव लगा।
Environment at Bollywood is altogether different from the environment we have here, although we are trying to engage everyone in creative arts here, but the level of arts, especially for Bollywood, is really at a different level, and you have given a new direction, a new height to that level itself, which in itself is already at a different height, right? So give us some more insights.
Well, I think right now it's a great time for creative industry in India with Netflix and Amazon and all. काफ़ी avenues हैं, and we can do our own pure storytelling, and we don't need to copy anybody. We don't need to kind of do substandard stuff. We have so many great literature available to us, such from all the languages of India, and it's a very, very rich culture we have. So I hope we get to make the best of it, and thankfully we have the venues now.
मोह मोह मेरा फेवरेट गाना है इस पूरे एल्बम में।
लागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे कोई टोह टोह ना लागे।
एक तरह से ना हमारे शोर वाले म्यूजिक में वो गाने वैसे खत्म हो गए हैं, तो ये एक शरत का बीच था कि एकदम क्लासिकल गाना चाहिए।
है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे।
Well, this guy Varun Grover actually belongs to a very small place in India, which is Mandi in Himachal Pradesh. It's a very scenic place. It's also considered one of the first heritage places in India and is known as Choti Kashi or Varanasi of hills. Other than living in this beautiful place, Varun has also spent his childhood in Dehradun and Lucknow and has graduated in 2003 from Indian Institute of Technology, IIT BHU as a civil engineer. So which piece of direction are you the most proud of till now?
Okay, my own work.
Yeah.
I would say Masan. I'm very very proud of. Neeraj Khewan directed it, and I wrote the film, and that has been one of my most beautiful experiences working in Bombay.
We went to बनारस और हम लोग 1 महीना वहाँ पे रहे और तब हम लोग करीब हर रोज़ ही हम लोग हरिश्चंद्र घाट या मणिकर्णिका घाट, ये दो जो क्रिमेशन घाट हैं वहाँ पे, मसान घाट, दोनों पे जाते रहते थे।
सितारों को आंखों में महसूस रखती बड़ी तेज टकराती रात मुसाफिर है हम, मुसाफिर हो तुम, किसी मोड़ फिर मुलाकात।
अब तो हम फ्रेंड हो गए हैं ना, बात हुई ना पूरी।
लड़की है पर कास्ट है दोस्त, ज्यादा सेंटिमेंटी मत होना।
So when you write a script, what is basically at the back of your mind?
It's basically storytelling, and if there's a story that excites me, I kind of go with it and try to do the best, whatever, most justice to it. And otherwise it's just observation of the world and insights, and whatever I like, I want to kind of convey. And as I say, a great story is either it reveals a new world or it reveals a world which you have seen many times but not with this perspective. So either a new perspective or a new world. That's my storytelling.
It's about a fan anthem which resonates with not just Shah Rukh fans but any fan of anybody in the world. आज की तारीख में मुझे लगता है कि कोई भी फैन है अगर किसी स्टार का या किसी भी सेलिब्रिटी का, तो उसका आधे से ज़्यादा एग्जिस्टेंस सोशल मीडिया पे ही होता है, क्योंकि रियल लाइफ में आप फैन आजकल होते नहीं हैं, आप सोशल मीडिया पे ही फैन होते हैं। आपकी जो फेसबुक या ट्विटर की डीपी होती है वो आप वही स्टार की लगाते हैं।
फॉलो करूं ट्विटर पे, टैग करूं फेसबुक पे, तेरे क्विज में गूगल को बीट कर दिया। मिरर में तू दिखता है, नींद में तू टिकता है, तेरे मैडनेस ने मुझे ढीठ कर दिया। तू है सोडे की बोतल, मैं बंटा तेरा, मैं तो हैंडल करूं हर टंटा तेरा। मेरे
तो लिरिक्स से बंटा क्या है और टंटा क्या होता है?
दिल्ली की जो वाइब थी ना कि सोडे की है बोतल तू यारा, बंटा मैं तेरा, एक तो दिल्ली मैं जाता था बचपन में, तो मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी चीज़ ये होती थी कि बंटे वाली बोतल पीने को मिलेगी, जो कि लखनऊ में नहीं मिलती थी।
So sometimes the stories are so complicated that for audience it is very hard to comprehend what the writer is actually communicating or what is the essence of the story, because several pieces of the story are very complicated, and when it comes as a flashback and then it goes back to multiple characters when they are young, it brings a level of complexity. How do you think the audience will absorb it? What's there in your mind, and what's the best approach that you think it should be?
I think there are all kinds of stories. Some are simple, some are complicated, and I think it's good for audience that they have the choice. That there is a complicated story. Sometimes there is something which is very very complex. and they have to engage with it. It's challenging, but it's fun. So I think that's what makes it great.
Some of the other eminent hits that this author has given to the industry are Prague, Peddlers, Zuban, Aankhon Dekhi, Fan, Udta Punjab, Masan, Raman Raghav 2.0, Katiyabaz, Kala, Newton, and many more. Not only in the film industry as a writer, but this guy has also made his presence as an actor in the film Bombay Velvet and has written dialogues for Accident on Hill Road.
अंदर दा कुत्ता अज कड़िए अग दुनिया पेट्रोल चल सुटिए पाउडर की लाइना का रखेगा कौन हिसाब हाँ उड़ता पंजाब हाँ उड़ता पंजाब हाँ उड़ता पंजाब हाँ उड़ता पंजाब
We are also very pleased to let you know that this is the guy behind penning down some of the eminent works like As Kadam, Oye, It's Friday, Sabka Bheja Fry, Jai Hind and Ranveer, Vinay aur Kaun, and most of all that is pretty close to my heart as well and probably to yours as well is Sacred Games, which is the Netflix original series in India, a very popular thriller, a crime thriller comprising of 2 seasons with 8 episodes each, which was based on the novel by Vikram Chandra, who is an Indian American award-winning writer. He got the Commonwealth Prize for this novel, and this novel was adapted by Varun Grover.
कभी कभी लगता है कि अपन ही भगवान है।
It was a big challenge to translate the book, translate one such a complicated, layered book, which is, as Mr. Chandra said, structured like a mandala. It's untranslatable to screen almost, and we had to kind of pitch it as how Netflix and Vikram and all of us kind of decided to pitch it more as a thriller drama and not as a atmospheric psychological drama.
What a beautiful conversation you had with Vikram Motwani and Vikram Chandra, who was on a video call today at Sala Fest, and the audience were in all awe after hearing your story about Sacred Games. What's your response to the audience reaction?
Oh, I loved the audience here. I was, I knew that people in Bay Area have seen the show, they have loved the show, but the warmth in the room was really, really, joyful. It was so great to see that so many people have connected to the show. They want to listen to the stories, and it was a great session. I
want to give out some insights into your upcoming projects.
There's a film I'm writing. I've written. It's called Sandeep or Pinky Farhat, and Divakar Banerjee is directing it, and Yashraj Films is producing it.
Awesome, and wish you all the very best.
सर आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
कुएं में पड़ने जा रहा हूँ, चलेगी शायद? तो किसी की जिंदगी में प्रॉब्लम बन चुकी है, तुझे हटाना था। तेरे साथ मुझे भी, ताकि ये ना बताऊं तुझे हटाया।
किस किस को मार देते हो यार तुम? अब बनाओ पाकिस्तानी इनको।
क्या लगता है आपको, कौन हूँ मैं? क्यों मार रहे थे वो मुझे?
आपके हैं जी 2 पासपोर्ट, 2 नहीं 1।
ऑपरेशन कंडम कर रहा है तो मार यार, मार दे, खत्म कर।
what's the message to viewers on this beautiful festival?
I would say just please come to this festival, come to all the art festivals, engage with art, because that's how only you can kind of make something sensible of this world we are living.
Hi, I'm Varun Grover. Catch me on Yo India TV. Very yo.
तेरा फैन हो गया, तेरा हाय रे जबरा फैन हो गया, और तुझे देख के ही दिल में धड़धड़ान हो गया, मैं तेरा हाय रे जबरा फैन हो